The Fed meeting has come and gone. Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, the Fed meeting has come and gone. No changes in interest rates. Nothing has changed in the marketplace, but the expectations were so high. And folks, as I've mentioned on previous occasions, investors continue to make the same mistakes. They state with this certainty that something is going to happen, whether it be a rate cut or an increase or the rates stay the same. And then when the Fed makes their decision, they're disappointed. And this is why on so many occasions, again, I've mentioned the fact that let the price talk to you. The Fed coming into this meeting has no idea what they're going to do. They're gathering information. They're looking at the economy. They're looking at the numbers beyond what you and I tend to look at. There are intricacies within the numbers that need to be looked at. So again, we continue to get ahead of ourselves. We continue to speculate heavily and emotionally get disappointed when the results are X as opposed to what we expected. Settle down. Let the Fed do what it's going to do. Let the economy and the data become available. And then you make decisions because it's basis the price. Now, fundamentally, nothing has changed. If you were to tell me that fundamentally there was some type of a major change, well, then we have something that you could legitimately justify and be emotional about. But there's been no changes fundamentally or technically. All you have at this point in time is to evaluate the market based on the reality. And that is that we have the same economic problems. We have the same debt issues. We have the unknown in regards to the tariffs that continue to change and fluctuate. Those are the things that you need to look at, as we've always talked about, with one little factor, the price. The price will talk to you and then make decisions based on the price. What the Fed does or doesn't do is only going to influence the market and the price for a very short window. And then everything else that we've been looking at takes over and dominates the investment picture. Please settle down. Look at information correctly. Decipher information on a timely basis and then make your decisions. Contact IMG. I wish you all the very best.